All right, guys, we're about to go on a ride. Benny's Speed 3. All right, we're good to go. Oh, nice shift on, man. That's sick.
Thanks, man.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Sounds good, dude.
Oh, yeah.
All right, guys, we got Benny taking off his TurboSmart blow off valve right here. So we're gonna be taking that blow off valve and switching it with this awesome GFB one. I personally like this GFB one because it sounds really good, and I think it'll be a little bit more sturdy than this TurboSmart. All right, guys, so right here we have the TurboSmart on the left, and then we have this cool GFB. They're pretty much gonna sound similar because they're both venting to atmosphere, but we're gonna see if the GFB one sounds any different or if it's pretty much the exact same. Here you go, Benny. Ooh, so how do you install this? Walk me through the process, what you're doing right now.
Dude, it's simple.
How simple?
You just put the screws in.
Two of them or one?
Just two.
So 2 bolts, and that's it. That's all you gotta do. And this one is the fully adjustable GFB, so can put it full atmosphere or you can put it to recirculating, but in my opinion, it's best to go full atmosphere because I think full atmosphere sounds the best, and I think it also responds the best to a turbo, but let me know what you guys prefer, full atmosphere or recirculating. All right, Benny. Tighten that baby up. All right, Benny, let's see how this blow off valve sounds. Not as loud as the TurboSmart. Maybe as you get higher a little bit, but sounds good, but it does sound a little different.
Yeah. I think TurboSmart sounds a little bit better.
I think so too. The TurboSmart sounded a little bit louder, but I don't know, it is similar, but the TurboSmart did seem to be a little bit louder.
Oh yeah.
All right, guys, so the verdict is this TurboSmart blow-off valve is actually way louder than the GFB. The GFB sounded pretty good, but just not nearly as loud.
I would recommend the TurboSmart.
Yep, TurboSmart is fire. All right, guys, so we think the GFB one, the black one right here, doesn't sound nearly as loud because of this trumpet. As you can see, the black trumpet is way smaller. This silver one that goes on the TurboSmart is a lot bigger. So that's probably why it sounds so much louder, but this GFB is still a great blow-off valve. Still works wonderful, but TurboSmart wins today.
Oh yeah. Looking real rusty.